Namaskar, Radhe Radhe. How we can help those person who is suffering from critical depression or tension? Can we help them, support them? Yes, we can. And here, the very easy and supportive way is to understand them. Firstly, respect them, give them the care and love, real, not fake, not the in line way. And sometimes if we feel there is no any options or no any support for helping them and for understanding them, it is very hard, then there some of the reason lack of our concentration for them, and can say those of feelings where we can't understand them, we can't hear them means their inner voice what we can have to understand and what they want to share. Maybe the shade of their cruel behavior and understanding, they are sometimes not able to share their emotions in real way. In real emotions they can't able to share, but firstly we have to understand them, we have to recognize those emotions of them, that how we can feel their emotions. It is not so hard. If we understand, it is very hard. Firstly, we have to respect them, give them care, love and support. Not every time it is very hard, it is very, can say no, big worship and the big loyalty of our human belief and human nature. If we go to temple, then what we understand the Lord's statue is standing in front of us, and we have to just obey in and with our prayer, with our desires. Many times we think in this way, but can we understand where is the real temple, where is the real emotion? If we help to someone, if we understand their emotion, this is also the form of worship, and we are in the temple. If we understand their emotion and if we can help them, not usually we can say that their emotions are the reason of their suffering. Maybe what the reason, we don't have to waste our time and energy for understanding those reasons why they are suffering in this way. Here we have to only do one thing, that which is called our karma means we have to understand them, we have to support them, care them, because depression is not a little thing, it is very major problem. It is very major problem and come very easily in anyone's life, but not every time the reason of understanding someone's heart feeling is able to be recognized by everyone around them. Maybe they are surrounded by many of persons, where their relatives, their dear ones, but they are not able to understand them, why they are being so cruel, why they are doing anger issues in many different form, not able to understand their own real persons or real relatives. But here we have to understand them. We usually think they are so relaxed when they feel light, if we share our loving emotion with them, they feel so relaxed. This is also the support of them. Can we feel if one is not recognizing by their emotions in easy way, or they are suffering from very critical upset feelings, which is called depression also, can we understand them why they are doing in those kinds of abilities, continuously doing some of the work in many times and thinking every time negative? We think that they are very wrong and they are thinking in those way, negative thinking, or continuously doing many things many times, and we are normally think in this way, but this is not the real way. Real way is they are suffering, they are feeling low, that's why they are doing. Here we have to understand, if they are doing that, we have to make them feel easy that what they should do. Means if someone is suffering from the critical depression and continuously doing their job and feeling tired but they are doing. Here we have to make them feel relaxed. Yes, you have done your job, no need to do again and again, because your job has done whatever you are doing. Maybe at the first time they are not understanding, second time they are not understanding, but if at the end they will understand. They will understand what we are able to make them realize that you have done your job, no need to do again and again and feel tired in yourself. This is the help, this is the support, not minor support, this is a very big support, can say the medicine, the treatment also for them. So nearby we are usually seeing many of persons suffering from those conditions. Their needs of our understanding, caring understanding, and if we can support them, then we are feeling relaxed. What is the big thing in front of those of our work? No need to do any of your big work, means different kinds of. If you do this one thing, this is your very biggest worship, donation, also can say your job. Yes, no there any kinds of job is bigger than this one job. If you support someone and make someone mentally relaxed, you are doing your best job. And yes, you have to do because you should do. And if you are doing, then you will feel this, yes, this is the world, this is the real meaning of peaceness. And if we are able to do this one job, then we are so thankful. All the time be thankful in front of Lord, that Lord has given us this one mindset and understanding that we can understand someone's feeling. Yes, easily we can someone's hard feeling in easy way, in relaxed way, and we are helping them. We have to be grateful for those of realization to the Lord. And if we are doing this, then we can say we are doing our best job. No other job is best in front of those things. So I hope all of you also maybe continuously maybe seeing those kinds of persons around you. If so, kindly request to all of you that support them. If someone is suffering in those way, care them, understand them firstly, then you will realize, yes, this is the real business, this is the real support, not them after us, for them. So understand someone's feeling, respect someone's feeling, and care them, because depression is not the minor thing. Depression is very hard and harsh feeling, and if someone is suffering, we can't understand how they are feeling, how they are in a bigger pain in themselves. Every time they are just clutching themselves in many harsh feelings. So only needs of our compassionate and understanding for them, understanding feeling for them. And if we are doing this, what is the biggest thing in front of them? No, nothing. Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.